Hi, this is Jake Wilson with Conscious Energy Consultants, and today we're going to talk about how you can bundle in your solar project into your mortgage and the amazing benefit that it can have. Now, every single person is going to be different. It's just like any mortgage, it's going to depend on your credit score, equity in the home, and a lot of different factors. But today I'm going to talk very generally about why this is something to consider, including if you're looking at taking advantage of the current mortgage refinance rates. So let's just give you an example. Let's say you have a $2,000 mortgage, and let's say your electricity bill is $150. Well, that mortgage, assuming you have a fixed mortgage, is going to stay the same. However, that electricity bill does go up every single year. For example, in Denver, Xcel Energy went up 6.5% at the beginning of 2020. And in 2021, they're looking at going up to time of use, which is going to completely change what that bill that was $150, it's going to grow consistently every single year. And just to put it in perspective, since Xcel took over as the Public Utility Commissions in Denver in 2000, it has gone up over 65%. That is over almost twice the rate of inflation over that time frame. So that $150 every single year is going to raise. So not only do you have a $2,000 mortgage, that electricity bill is going to go up every single year. And if your home is going to get less efficient every single year, which it does, that also begins to increase every single year. So when you're looking to either refi or buy a home, this is one of the best times to be able to bundle the cost and the investment of solar into your home. So instead of paying a $2,000 mortgage and a $150 electric bill, imagine you pay $130 extra into your mortgage to pay for the system. So now you have a $2,130 mortgage. Yes, it's a little bit more, but you're going to have that expense every single month, no matter what. And that's what I always want people to just wrap your head around. You're going to be paying that electric bill every single month, no matter what. The only difference is with this, you now are bundling it into your mortgage payment. You're locking it in at that rate. As long as the system is sized properly to cover your consumption, you're going to be paying that $130 now, where in 5-10 years, that $150 could easily be $180, $200. Now, especially as the eventually gets paid off, you now own the system outright. So if you ever sell your home, the system's already considered fully paid off. You don't have to worry about transferring. The increase in equity is already built into your home. So it really does turn out to be a no-brainer. On top of that, because of the federal tax credits that are available for going solar in 2020, which is 26%, and in 2021, which is 22%, you're gonna get that money back on your taxes on top of it. All this requires zero down in order to go solar. So bundling in solar into your mortgage is something I highly consider you looking at. And we do have loan experts on staff here at Conscious Energy Consultants specifically to look at how to do this for you. There's very few companies in the country that know how to do this, including mortgage companies. We're one of maybe a few, if anybody, that can actually do both of the mortgage and the solar for you and figure out the best solution. We would love the opportunity to show you what it would look like and what it would take for yourself. If you are interested, you can always go to consciousec.com. You can click Get a Quote Now or fill out the Contact Us form, and we're happy to look at how we can solve this for you and whether or not it's financially feasible. You can always go to facebook.com/consciousec or email us at info@consciousec.com. Thank you guys so much, and I look forward to talking with you at our next video.